how to change your Betterment password online. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get into your betterment.com, or you can get into the application version of it. Either way, what you're going to do is tap on the menu bar right here and make sure you're logged into your account. You can tap on login, and like I said, you'll need to log into your account, add in all of the credentials, log into your account. After logging in, you can tap on settings from the left hand navigation bar. Then from there you can tap on security tab, then you can tap on change password, enter your current password, specify your new password, then you can tap on update password, and like that you'll be able to change your Betterment password online. But in case if you have forgotten your password of your account, you can actually get into the login page just like this, and then from there you can tap on forgot password that you'll be able to see right here, and then you'll need to enter your email address. Then you can tap on send reset email. You'll actually be able to get a link via your email. So simply open your email inbox, then open that link, go through that link, and then follow all of the given on-screen prompt. And if you do follow all of the given on-screen prompt, you'll now successfully be able to reset your password of your Betterment account, and that's it.